Hello garden lovers. Today I'm going to the garden nursery to see if there are any specials today. This is the last time I will be going, for sure, I'm sure, this year. And I'm going to be, you know, picking up maybe some shrubs or something. I know it's a little late in the season to plant, but I've heard that maybe if I just dig a hole and keep it in the container and just put it in that hole and mulch that up, I might have some luck. So let's go see just if there are any really cool deals. So it's the 26th of October, and I was just told that even if I plant now, that it's still okay. That it's still okay to plant now. I'm seeing things that I'm really liking. I have some beautiful Columbine, I think that's what that's called, this here, and everything's 20% off. So I will be looking at a few things today. I have some of this in the front yard, but this is zone 5. I am a zone 5, but she was saying if you can go down to the zone 4, then you might be a little safer. So we're gonna look at these here. This is zone 5 also. Hang on, what is this? Zone 2. What are these here? Amethyst and snow. Centuria. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I actually love that. Oh, here's another one. Guys, I'm gonna be planting some of this stuff in areas. I think I'm grabbing one of these. This is for sure. This is gorgeous. I'm going to be planting some of these, but I'm pretty sure in the spring I may be changing them spots because right now I'm running out of place. So let's keep looking. I got that. That is guaranteed I'm getting this. Look at the flower. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'll just leave it there. So just one of those is fine, right? I have some of that. I have some of that. It's really cool to, oh, I just got bulbs of these here, a whole bunch of bulbs of those. The cool thing, the yellow ones are pretty. The cool thing is, you know, I get one, then it'll make seeds, and then we're going to seed. Do I do this? Oh, look at it. Is that normal? Is that normal? So do I go for a smaller plant? What if I go for a smaller one? This one, the leaves look fine. It's got a little bit of, but I do love this. Guys, I'm loving purple. I think I'll go for a smaller plant. It looks really healthy down there. Oh, my husband's here. So, all right, I got those. I got the black-eyed Susan. I have some seeds, so I'll be planting those black-eyed Susans also. Oh, wow, what is this? Look at the color. That's gorgeous, zone 5. So, as I said, it's better to plant like a zone under, like I'm 4, so. I'm 5, I'm sorry, but and it might be safer. So I gotta find out what 20% off of this is. Wow, look at this. I need more of that. Let's keep looking. So my husband's out there looking at some trees. I'm out here looking at maybe some shrubs. So this is what I got. I got one of these and one of these. I might go get 2 more of these and plant them in a clump. I'm not sure. I'm thinking, oh, there's more of those. I absolutely love this red here. I got one. Buddleias are also inexpensive. I'm wondering if they would be happy being planted at this time. Oh, look at this oak leaf hydrangea. I already have one, but oh boy, would I not mind having a second one. All right, so this is a zone 5. So I'm not gonna chance it. I'm not gonna chance it. What am I going to get, guys? You know, no, I don't want any fruit trees, not now. What are these? No, I don't want that. I don't want that, I don't want that. I don't want roses. I love roses, but I'm not looking for roses right now. We're gonna turn around. Hang on. So I'm trying to make a decision here. I think I'm gonna put the columbine back. Maybe, maybe not. But I'd like to get 3 of either this or 3 of that. This is called Sedum Blue Spruce. 20% off of this. It's what, maybe $12? I don't know. And same thing for this one here. This flowers in the spring. It's flowering now because it was probably boosted for sales, you know. But this I gotta get for sure. This is just absolutely beautiful. What do I do? What do we do, guys? I want to buy 3 of one of them. Let me think. Guys, I'm realizing they're $12 each, so I'm gonna grab 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm gonna grab a lot of these. This is awesome ground cover. This one's, well, it's gonna die off, won't it? Will it die out? Or is this like evergreen? So that would be 1, 2, 3 of those. 10, 20, 30. Okay. I could actually grab 2 more. What do I do? So I'm also looking at these cone flowers here. I love cone flowers. Oh my God. Look at these. They're green. And there's this one. They say it's 10 centimeters. There's only a few cone flowers left. I have, this is the powwow, Echinacea powwow. This is the one that I have already. There's only powwows left. Okay, plus these. I might get a green one. I only have like 7% of battery left, so I'm going to grab myself some dirt here. This is the dirt, and I will see you back at home and I'll show you my haul. All right, so I'm back from the garden center and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I selected. So here I got 3 of these here. This is called Sedum Blue Spruce, and it is so soft, guys. You would think that, you know how prickly a spruce tree would be? Well, this is like rubber. It's in the sedum family, and it's so soft. So I got 3 of these, and apparently, back up, sorry. Apparently if like one of them breaks off, you can just plant it in the ground and it'll take from there. So I got 3 of them. The 2 others, I put them in the garden. I'll go show you where I'm gonna plant them. So I got 3 of these. I got 1 of these. They're not supposed to be flowering this time of year. This is Scabiosa Pink. Pink Mist, number 1. Scabiosa. She mentioned that this one, see, it's its own 3. She said she had trouble bringing hers back, but I'm going to be protecting it this winter. I hope that it comes back. So I took advantage. You know, this was $16.99 minus 20% was about around this $12-ish. I don't know. I got 3 of these guys. This is so cool. I got 3 of these. It is called, hang on. Ouch. That picks. Okay. How do we pronounce that? Eryngium blue glitter. See these balls? There's prickly balls. I got 3 of those. I am going to plant this all together, clustered together. So there's 3 of them. There's that one, this one here, and there's another one back there. This here is absolutely beautiful. here also. I gotta take these out anyway. Oh, so I got 3 of these, right? Yeah, I got 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. And this one here, look at this. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Could have got more than one, but anyhow, next year's another year. This is called Centaurea Amethyst in Snow. But look, here they're like purple and whitish, but these are all purple. I don't know. Is this, they put the wrong tag on it or something? I don't know. But this too, this is zone 2, so this should be pretty darn hardy. And it blooms in the spring, but look at these blooms here. Look how special that is. And like she said, for some reason, I don't know, I think there's boosters or something to cause them to bloom at this time of year. There's new flowers coming. I don't know if they'll flower, you know, evenings are cool, but we shall see. And I did get this purple columbine. So notice one thing, guys, everything's purple. I got all purple flowers. So this is just columbine, and it's just beautiful. I had these one year, but I think they were smaller. The variety was smaller. I want to show you guys just, my neighbor was throwing this tub out. He actually has 2, and he had put it to the curb, and he was throwing it out. And look at how cool this is. This is going to be an amazing planter. Look at that. Hot dipped galvanized ware. What is that? Made in Canada by General Steelwares. I don't know. But I just like it. I just think it's really cool. I think that we can do something really nice, put some plants in there. I don't know if I'm going to just, you know, make some holes probably, put the dirt in direct, or put pots in there. I don't know. But I have 2 of those now. Where's the other one? I don't know where I put the other one. But anyhow, 2 of those. Something else that we got, my husband surprised me. We've been wanting to plant a tree. Actually, we have a few more trees to plant. A few more. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more plants, a few more trees. Hang on. So we got another type of crabapple tree here. This is the Malus Royal. That's the same one as the one back there. You may not see it very well. Same one as this one that I planted in spring. It's over here. That one right there. This one here. So it's going to be planted around this area right here, because what I want is for when we're coming through the pathway, that the tree, the branches come over the pathway here. There will be another tree planted here next year, but it'll be a small 6 to 7 foot tree. I'm not remembering the name of the variety it was, but it is a Japanese maple that I want there. But yeah, this one is going down here. The width, I think how large is this gonna get? Okay, so it's height 6 meters, sorry, 6 meters tall. Height, that's 20 feet, okay? And width is 15 feet, so 15 wide. So this is gonna be perfect for here. The branches, I calculated, it should finish it around here. But we do want shade in this area, a little bit of shade, because this here well, I don't know, next year or the year after, but all of this here is going to be an area for us to sit. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I wanted to do wood, but we'll see. I'm probably going to do flagstone or something. But this video is not about that. It's about my haul, and I'm gonna start planting. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this garden haul, this flower haul, and I will see you in the next video. Keep gardening.